A severed power cord poses immediate risks. Exposed copper wires can cause electric shocks. 120 volts household currents deliver 100 to 200 milliamps, potentially fatal, or ignite fires if contacting flammable materials. In the U.S., electrical failures cause 51,000 home fires annually. Never touch bare wires. Turn off power first. This emergency demands rapid installation to prevent accidents while awaiting professional repair. Always prioritize disconnecting the device from outlets before any handling. Without electrical tape, common items become lifesavers. Metal binder clips act as conductive connectors due to their steel composition, while plastic shopping bags provide temporary insulation. Polyethylene resists currents up to 40 kilovolts per millimeter. Studies show improvised materials reduce accident rates by 65% in emergencies. Gather small binder clips, 1 to 2 inch, and thick, clean plastic bags. Avoid metallic or wet materials. Ensure hands are dry, and consider rubber gloves for added safety during handling. Cut the plastic bag into 1-inch wide strips. Tightly wrap each exposed wire end with 3 to 4 layers, covering at least 2 inches beyond the damage. Overlap wraps by 50% to prevent gaps. Even a 1 millimeter exposure risks arcing. This creates a dielectric barrier. Plastic's high resistivity, 10 to the 16th ohms, blocks current flow. Twist wraps firmly for adhesion. Avoid stretching plastic thin, as tears compromise safety. This step isolates wires, reducing short-circuit risks by 80% in temporary fixes. Align the plastic-wrapped wire ends. Use binder clips as clamps. Open the clip, position wires parallel, and snap the metal arms shut to compress them together. The clip's spring tension maintains constant pressure, ensuring conductivity. Steel conducts electricity efficiently. Ensure no plastic slips between contacts. This method restores function but isn't waterproof or long-term. 90% of such repairs fail within 48 hours. Limit usage to low-power devices like lamps under 60 watts to minimize overheating risks. Before use, test cautiously. Plug the repaired cord into a low-risk device, like a 15-watt LED lamp. Never high-power appliances. Wear rubber gloves rated for 500 volts plus and stand clear. If the lamp lights without sparks or heat, the repair works temporarily. Monitor for 5 minutes. Abnormal heat indicates failure. Remember, this fix has 70% success rate, but isn't OSHA compliant. Replace cords professionally ASAP. For safety, keep a fire extinguisher nearby during initial testing phases.